Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you will get notification each time I post new video. Today I'm going to demonstrate Indian party makeup with glitter Eyedo. First I'm going to moisturize my face with Ultra Repair Cream from Fab. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Define and Blend Brow Pencil to define my eyebrow. Later I'm taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to clean up the borders, and at the same time I'm using this concealer as my eye makeup primer. And I'm using some loose powder to set the concealer so that it won't crease and give a smooth surface for the eyeshadow application. I'm using NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette today. For today's eye makeup, I want to be a little bit colorful, so I'm going to play around with pink, purple and peach color. I'm slowly applying the peach color around my crease area. Later, I'm applying some pink color above the peach. I'm taking my larger blending brush to blend these two colors. I'm just bringing the brush forward and backward. At my outer corner, I'm just add on some purple color to make it look intense. Once I'm satisfied with the colors, I'm going to apply Maybelline Kajol. I'm making it a thicker liner so that it will be easy for us to blend. Taking a flat brush, I'm smudging out the eyeliner. Okay, basically I'm spreading the eyeliner around my eyelid area without touching the crease. Take your time and carefully smudge the kajal around the eyelid. To make the black color look intense, today I'm using Too Faced Glitter Bomb eyeshadow palette. I'm taking Intensify base color. Moving on, I'm going to get my NYX glitter glue and using a flat brush, apply directly on the eyelid. I'm using two different colors of loose glitter, again from NYX, and then apply directly on my eyelid area, which I already applied the glue. I will provide all the links and product I use for this tutorial in the description box. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to get a white eyeshadow from a Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette called Brightening Base. Moving to my face makeup, I'm going to prime my face with NYX Shine Killer. For my foundation, I'm going to use NYX. I'm mixing two colors. The first one is Medium Olive and Classic Tan. This is a liquid foundation and it gives you full coverage. I just love this foundation because it gives you a smooth surface once you have done your blendings. Again, I'm taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to highlight my face. I'm using a clean sponge to blend the concealer. You can even use a beauty blender. And I find this concealer dries up very quickly, so you may want to blend this concealer as soon as possible you apply it. Once I'm done with the blending, quickly I'm setting my face with L'Oreal Mercier loose powder. Basically, I'm applying the loose powder, the areas which I applied concealer just now. This is to bake the face. I'm going to let the powder to sit on my face a couple of minutes before I dust it off. Following, I'm taking my NYX 3 steps to contour and highlight my face. To contour the face, I'm going to start from the point of my ears until the end of my eyebrow. As much as possible for today's tutorial, I want to give a minimal contour. This is because I want the eye makeup to be the highlight point of this overall makeup. Using the same palette, I'm gonna use the highlighter to highlight my highest point of my face. Moving forward, I'm going to apply some blusher, and today I'm using NYX Sweet Cheek palette, and I'm taking the very light pink. Before I finish off my eye makeup, I'm gonna apply some loose powder under my eyes so that any fall off it will catch and we can dust it off without ruining the face makeup. I'm going to take these three colors and apply under my lower lashes. Again, with my Maybelline Kajol, I'm going to tighten up my waterline. Then I'm taking a black eyeshadow to make it look intense. Finally, using my blending brush, I'm going to smoke out all the product under my eyelashes. And for my mascara, today I'm going to use Maybelline called Total Temptation. Using my Wet n Wild clear gel, I'm going to clean up my eyebrow. For my lips today, I decided to go for a nude color, and I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And finally, to set my face, I'm going to use NYX setting spray. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, please give me thumbs up and share my video, and do follow me in my social media. I have provided all my links below.